Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to link desktop folder to Google Drive. Linking a desktop folder to Google Drive is a great way to access and transfer your folders conveniently. And here are the steps to link a desktop folder to Google Drive. First is to open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure to sign in with your Google account. Click the settings or gear icon in the top right corner. Choose Get Drive for Desktop or Download Drive for Desktop. Download and install Google Drive for Desktop on your PC or Mac. Now, open the Google Drive for Desktop app after installation. Make sure to sign in with your Google account in the app. Click Add Folders to sync, then click on the folder and hit Select or browse more on your desktop to choose the folder you want to link by clicking Add More Folders to Sync. Choose the file you want to sync to, then hit Select Folder to confirm the folder selection, then check the sync with Google Drive and click Done and hit the Save button. Wait for the folder to sync to Google Drive. Check your Google Drive, web or mobile to ensure the folder appears. Any changes in the desktop folder will automatically sync to Google Drive. Tips: mirror files, keep files on both Google Drive and your PC. Stream files, save space on your computer but access them via Google Drive. You can add multiple folders using the same steps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.